Hi, I'm Roberto Lopez, and I'm currently a senior at Brentwood High School on Long Island in New York. And my Regeneron project focuses on analyzing the invasive plant species Phragmites australis and its detrimental effects to our salt marshes. And salt marshes are basically wetland ecosystems, and they're important because they protect coastal communities such as Long Island and also coastal states from storm surges and harsh wave action, which both can lead to land erosion. But one of the main factors of salt marshes is that they can take massive amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store that carbon into their soil. This is known as carbon sequestration and can play a major role in slowing down global warming. But this invasive plant species, when they shed their leaves or when they die, they contribute to what is known as rack accumulation, which is dead versions of itself piled up and washed ashore. And I actually have a picture of this rack right here. This rack ultimately gets washed up on native salt marshes, smothering and killing the native salt marsh plant species. And my project found out that this rack prevents these salt marshes from effectively taking the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and effectively storing it into their soil, which is very very concerning for the salt marshes and their health. And I would say a fun fact about me is that I have an identical twin brother named Ricardo Lopez.
So let me tell you about my project. Yeah.
And we are also both team captains of our swim team, and we both love to travel, especially to Puerto Rico, which is very nice and tropical. And I think a funny fact would be that 2 weeks before Regeneron was due, I I had I had my computer and my research paper saved onto it, and I left it in my book bag, and I accidentally put it near my car, and Ricardo ended up driving over it and crushing the whole thing. But luckily, we managed to take the hard drive out of the old computer and put it into a new computer, which saved my research project, and it was like such a relief.
It was an accident.